One of the biggest challenges when you're selling your house is its current condition. So if you're watching this video right now and you have a house that is in need of repair, you've come to the right spot, because having a property that needs a lot of work is going to scare away a lot of investors. So you have a couple options. You could at least do the best you can to clean up the property. If there's any types of, if there's smells in the property, or if it's dirty, that is going to help you give a strong first impression of the property. And a lot of people just don't take the time to do that. So if you have the time, go ahead, clean the house. If there's a smell, if there's dog hair, if there's dog poop or pee or cat urine, spray it, clean it. That is going to help, because if someone walks in and immediately smells like cat urine or dog feces, it's going to immediately bring down the value of your property. So if you can, make sure to clean it up a little bit and make it presentable. Now, the other side of this is, if you don't care and you just want to get out from this thing, you're stressed out to the max, you've had enough of this thing, you just want that property gone, then there's people like us at 6 Day Cash Buyers who can give you a cash offer on your house today. So you don't have to clean it up. We can take care of all of that. We can take care of fixing everything. We can take care of the smell, the termites, the mold, and you can just leave that property as it is. So if you want a cash offer on your property today, click the link below. 6daycashbuyers.com is the website. You can submit your property details or give us a call, and we'll get you a cash offer. And if the offer isn't within your range, we can definitely give you some more tips on the phone on how to get the most money for your property. So thanks a lot for watching. Now's the time to get that cash offer. Click the link below or call the number you see here, and we're looking forward to talking to you about your property.